This is going to be a video on the teardown of the iOSAFE Solo. This drive is old. I think it may be up to 10 years old. I'm not 100% sure. It's a USB 2.0 drive, as you can see in the back here, 2.0. And I'm looking to tear it down, open it up. I'm looking, actually, I no longer use this drive, and I'm a person that when it comes to no longer using a drive, I usually destroy it because I don't believe in wiping it or doing anything to it in regards to getting it ready for selling. The reason for that is because I don't trust that anyone can recover any of the data on the drive. This drive was encrypted. I used encryption on it, but I'm still afraid that someone can eventually one day hack or be able to get to the drive or info on it, or the encrypted data. I've wiped everything out, but I'm still a big believer in the best thing to do when it comes to used drives that has sensitive information, which this one did, is to physically destroy it. I'd rather physically destroy it than to take the chance of someone unencrypting it. That being said, let's just tear it down and open it up. It has 7 screws on top. I've never done this before, so I'm opening up this drive for the first time and sharing it with you. So again, regular standard Phillips screwdriver drives. As you can see. And 7 screws total. That part didn't take long at all. And I think it should have some screws underneath. It's already starting to come apart. Yeah, you can see. This is a waterproof FireProof drive. One of the first drives that iOSAFE sold back in the day. They no longer sell this drive. Okay, that was a single screw that was on the bottom, right there. And then probably are more underneath the feet. Let me take the feet out. Okay, it's gonna take some work to get that feet out. Hold on. I've never done this before, so do this at your own risk. Oh, there's it. I took the feet out. There's a screw there. So there's probably a screw on the other ones. Yep. Oh, it's a little cap. It uncaps. You don't even need pliers. You have to catch the right. It's easier with the pliers. You may be interested in switching out or swapping out the drive in here. I wonder if that's possible. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but let's see. Okay. The bottom screw is a little bit different than the top screw. Comes with like a washer. It's a little bit different of screw. It's like a little washer right there. Okay. Okay, everything's all out. And still not coming up. Is there another screw? There's probably another screw here. What does it say there? Warranty void if removed. So there's probably one here. And then the warranty has been voided or expired a very long time ago. So, yep, another screw there. So there should be another one on the other side also. Yep. Okay. Look at that. Now we're on. Let me back up the camera. Get a better view. Oh wow, cool. There's a wire, there's a wire there from here all the way to here. Let me take that out. It's taped on. Okay, I took it out of this one, and here. I may have to, maybe I don't have to break it, I'm not sure. There it is right there. Hopefully I don't have to break it. Maybe there's another piece on the other side. Now the idea behind these waterproof, fireproof devices is that these things here have water in them, so when it gets really, really hot, it produces some steam as the outer part of it containing water heats up and it steams up, and the only thing that gets hot is the outside part, and it tries to keep the inside drive as warm as possible. Waterproof is just sealed up, totally sealed. So let's, this is, okay, got a bunch of wires and cables still connected. Let me see if I can disconnect them. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Cool. So they are reusable. Again, I won't be reusing it because it's kind of slow. It's a USB 2.0. And this is the actual drive itself in there. Wow, cool. So this is the actual item itself. It's sort of like, what would you say this is made out of?
That's ceramic.
Like a ceramic. Pretty cool. That's the inside.
Let me feel it. Oh yeah, that's like a ceramic.
Cool. And again, I won't be using it because it's a USB 2.0, so it's kind of slow. Let me unplug it here. It's a regular module plug from computers. Let me see if I can get it unplugged. Let me see if I can get the drive out of here. Do this at your own risk. Hopefully, me doing this, you won't have to. Okay, that was easy. Okay, this is the other one. It's like a ceramic. Pretty cool, the inside of it. Wow, that's really, really cool. Very, very heavy. All right. Now let me try to take it out of here. This is everything in the inside. Okay. This is the actual fan. Okay, I'll take it out. So So this is the drive itself. And then I'm going to be probably drilling a hole through this drive. Pretty cool. It's like a protector, a sealed. This might be the sealant for if it hits the water. So let's cut it open. Okay. I'll show you what kind of drive comes in here, if you're curious. Okay. So, module, SATA drive. Cool. Seagate. It's the actual drive itself, the model number. So as you can see, it's a 2 terabyte drive. Right, it's a green drive, so it's probably 5,400 RPMs or 4,800, I think, sometimes. Regular standard 3.5 inch SATA hard drive. Cool. This is the packaging it comes in. That's everything. Cool. And then the back here. Let me take out that connection. That's everything on the inside, where the USB connections are being made. So this is the controller or the card that makes the communication between the inside of the drive and the outside. Out here. Cool. I like it. That was really easy. A little bit of a mess, but I'm pretty much done. And this is the tear down the inside of the iOSAFE solo. This is really heavy. Pretty cool. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. And you know, if you're careful enough, you might be actually able to upgrade the drive if you want to. All right, thank you for watching. Or if you run into a situation where the actual device doesn't work and you still need to get to the SATA information or the hard drive information, you may be able to take out the drive and see if you can slave it and see if you can get it to work. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.